friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Twisted, Razzle, and Dazzle from Dandy's World. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting both sides of the face in half. We're going to leave a gap right in the center. We're going to step over. We're going to curve this line up and through towards the top left. We're going to leave a gap in the center again, stepping over on the right, curving this over and back through on the side. Let's split this in half now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring our diagonal line down. We'll bring this across towards the center. From that point, we're going to pull this back through on the left. And then we're just going to curve this line down slightly to the bottom. Let's close this off on the side now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, bringing this all the way through and up towards that top left corner. Let's do the same on the right. So from that corner on the top, bringing this diagonal line down. We're going to pull this line through on the side. Let's step across, bringing that line in. And then again, from that point, curving this down and through, ending this at the same height as the line on the left. Let's round this back out again. So we're going to curve this all the way through and up towards that top corner. Let's focus on the left-hand side first. So for the eye, we're going to draw a nice big oval. We'll come in further towards the inside corner, drawing in another oval for the eyeball. Now in the center, let's draw in a circle. Let's come down. We're going to draw in 3 curved lines on a diagonal for the eyelashes. Now let's color in that eyeball black. Let's come down for the mouth, stepping over from the corner, curving this line in. Again, from that point, pulling this down and through on the side. Let's draw in a zigzag pattern here for the teeth. So we're just going to pull this line down. We'll bring this back up. Bring this down again and up. One more time, pulling this through and over on the side. Now let's draw in the cheek. So we're going to curve this around and in towards our mouth. Continuing to curve this up and through towards that eye. Let's step over on the right. We'll come up. We're going to curve this line down this time for the top of the eye. We're going to draw a nice big oval underneath, connecting that from left to right. Let's step in, replicating that again. And then right in the center, let's draw in a circle. Now let's color in that eye black. Let's come over. We're going to curve 3 diagonal lines across again for the eyelashes. And now let's come over the mouth. We're going to curve this line up and over towards the edge this time. Now from that point, we're going to curve this around and back in. Let's step over on the top, bringing this line down, stepping across again, replicating that. Let's move over underneath the eye on a diagonal, bringing this line down, stepping up again one more time, finishing that off. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. From both sides here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out towards the heads there. From the middle, again, just bringing this diagonal line up and over, reaching the top. Let's come through on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back through on the right. And then let's step underneath, coming down, curving this across, back in on the right. Let's split this in half. We're going to draw in a straight line directly down. On the left-hand side, curving this line out. Same thing on the right. We're going to pull this diagonal line in, curving that slightly. And then we'll close this off on the very bottom, connecting all those lines together. Let's step down. We're going to draw in a nice big straight line across. And then from here, for the handle, we're just going to curve 2 lines that come in. Let's step up. Again, curving this line down. Let's round those edges out. Rounding that out, pulling that through towards the bottom. Let's do the same underneath. Rounding that out, bringing this down, rounding that edge out as we come into that corner. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up and in on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come across. So underneath, we're going to curve this around and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's step over. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and in. Replicating that on the right. Let's move up. We're going to curve this line down on a diagonal on both sides. Let's finish off our arms. So as we move up, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, moving underneath, making this one longer. Let's step up. Let's pull this line out to the side. Let's round out the thumb. Let's round out the rest of the hand from that corner, curving this around, pulling this in to that edge. Now we're going to draw in like a splatter pattern. So on the top, curving this in, out, down, up, and in. And this doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. You can play around with it. We'll do the same on the left. Now moving in behind, 2 diagonal lines coming out. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted, Razzle, and Dazzle from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.